Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I want to talk to you today about how to use content marketing to attract your ideal customer. Now, before I do that, make sure you like our page or subscribe to our page, depending on which channel you're watching this on. But let's talk about how do you use content marketing to attract your ideal customer. Now, it's quite simple. What you need to do is create what we call a customer avatar. You need to look at your customer, look at your ideal customer demographic, and find out exactly what is it that makes them tick. So what keeps them up at night, where do they hang out, what books do they read, who do they hang around with, what are they interested in? Because if you can find those things out, then you can create content that attracts them, that gives them value or helps them solve a problem. And that's really what you're trying to do with this content. By producing the content, you're getting that expert status as well. So they're starting to know you, they're starting to like you, and they're starting to trust you every time you show up and give value to the audience. And that could be in any type of business. Maybe you're an estate agent and you're producing content to show people the quality of the properties that you've got, or you're showing them the process is simpler with you than it maybe is with your competitors. Whatever it is, you need to look at the angles and look at the things that frustrate your customers when using your competitors and address that in your content. Because if you do that, then you're going to absolutely knock it out of the park with this content production. Now, content can be in all forms. You could do video content, you could do blog content, you could do podcasts, whatever it is that you feel is more comfortable for you. Also, what's going to be useful for your audience as well, because different audiences will react differently to different types of content. Now, if you're unsure about the content that you could produce, I've made it easy for you. I've made a guide that's got 99 of the best content marketing ideas for any type of business. Now, to grab that, it'll be above this video, below the video. There'll be a link somewhere around this. Just click on there, put your name, put your email address in, grab that guide. It'll be in your inbox within seconds, and you can start seeing what content could be best for your market and start producing that content and getting some incredible results. So let me know what you think. Give me some comments below, give me some likes and some hearts. That really inspires us to keep making these videos, and make sure you like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and watch more of our videos as well. That's it from me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.